Kaunti ya Nyamira torigereria ryabereka gukorekana kurwase mwambia yarenge ntambe gati yabone libuna ensemete neta machiko yegenka gose civil society organization as serikali igobona abanyara gotwarege karome kaunti ya Nyamira kubwatira nabo bwatani be kaunti ya Nyamira asomo baganyo yomo asensemeyo asige kare kibo igoni gobarigerere chinchira cyo konyara gokonya na gukura kisegi chegenka Abasubati Abana amona bangna barokane Okounererigwa chinga inge igabatene kurwaza serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira bati ababikire mirobere sene akone kibuno mwana Musubati nabo mwana Munyaroka mona abana bake ngonyera bali koligererigwa na koligererigwa enjera barachigosirwa nemirobere bene yabekirwe elikone kibuna ngokora bali kisegi chegenka ase kaunti ya Nyamira.
Samarieta Nchere Rechokongo gare County Director Gender and Social Services asirit koliarero aiga guardian ntwabwate a forum ya gender stakeholders ntwabwate county government for gender department ntwabwate gender department national government asengencho amangana ya gender na abandi abange ntaendere goteba bali tokubwatirana asokorigereringa gender issues chiarigererigwe buyamune wenerete naende sengencho kere gurubu nebwate keririanda kioko korera abanyanto banyamira egasi getego support nabeko nyarekana chien chiogo se chigurubu ibere support program yemo reason yinero yagarire twacha tobekana motomanyenga ntobwate egurubu getego seni chio getego support program ye tomana kolika chi proposal which other NGOs or other partners eliegere banyare go support chi program chi.
Millicent Kisii Nyamira Division here on behalf of the County Commissioner's Office Nyamira County attending the CSO coordination workshop. As a government and also a department, we are keen on ensuring that girls are empowered and communities are empowered as a whole. The coordination meeting today, bringing together the different stakeholders, will ensure that as an office we also have a ready-based database for contact people we need to contact in case we have meetings, and also on the ground from the grassroots level all the way up to the office level, because we need contact from the grassroots so that we are able to know what is happening there and also educate from the ground.